We reached out to superintendents of school and we asked them if they would like to partner with us and bring their students to our mass vaccination locations and our health center vaccination locations. We created special days for schools to come. They had a dedicated registration link, and the students and families could sign up online for these dedicated school days. And then the students would come same time as other students in their school. And we really tried to promote a sense of school pride and enthusiasm for getting the vaccine. And what we saw is that a lot of students really found this to be a nice way to get the vaccine. It helped reduce some of their fear and maybe concern around getting the vaccine. I think one of the biggest considerations that we had was around the consent process. When the Pfizer vaccine became available to people under 18, we also had to consider how we would get consent from the parents. And so what we did is in our registration process, online, we would bifurcate when somebody would try to register. If they were 18 or above, they could register themselves. But if they were 17 or 16, their parent had to complete the registration process and give consent. The other thing that we did, more kind of on the lighter or more fun side of it, we had different Band-Aids, different patterns of Band-Aids to kind of make it fun. We also provided them with lanyards and bandanas that said, "I got my shot." And that just tried to lighten the mood, make it festive, and really a celebratory event for these students. Many of the students really had their lives put on hold for a good year. And anything that we could do as a health center to try to make the vaccination experience one of a celebration, one that they could remember in 30 years when they talk to people about what they did during the pandemic, we wanted to do that and really leave a lasting impression with them. We understand that we as a health center are known by many in our community, but there are also many other places in the community that touch our students in different ways. One of the examples of this is one of our local high schools. Their basketball team was doing a really good job in their season, and so they were very well known in the school. The basketball team decided to promote the vaccination clinic, and they created a flyer that said, "We got our shot, how about you?" And so that was really intended to, in a positive way, really help students build a community and provide a kind of influencer strategy to help others think about the vaccine in a positive way. We also had our Connecticut youth influencers on TikTok video themselves getting the vaccine and push that out through our social media platforms and put it on TikTok. We actually started a campaign called the ABC campaign, and that's amusement park, beaches, and chambers of commerces. And so, for example, this weekend, we will be at the Lake Compounds, which is an amusement park in the city of Bristol. And we are planning on being there every weekend because we know it's a place that teens love to congregate and families go to enjoy the warm weather. And we will be there providing the vaccine so that if somebody who might not have the time or make the effort to go to a mass vaccination site. We are also going to beaches. For the past 2 weekends, we place our tents right there alongside the beach and offer the vaccine to anybody who is at the beach. And that has been really, really successful. We are doing drive-through vaccination clinics at local high schools, and we anticipate doing more of that as the summer comes to an end and school starts up again and families feel more open to getting vaccinated, or that there's more of an urgency around getting vaccinated. We will be there thinking creatively about different locations and places where we can make the vaccine really easy for people to get.